Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Catharsis Inc. I have with me May's subscription of The Witch's Roots, so let's open her up. Okay, so this is the description paperwork, so we'll look at that later. This is a description of Angelite. That's really pretty. I love that. I don't know much about that crystal, so that'll be interesting to read. This is a description card of rosemary. So that'll be a nice addition to my grimoire. And we got a crystal. Ooh, that's beautiful. And I bet you it's going to be an Angelite. That's really nice. I don't have one of these yet, so that'll be really nice to add to my crystal collection. Open Pathways, Magical Anointing Oil. Let's give it a smell. Ooh, that smells so good. It's got like a strong, refreshing smell. Kind of like, it doesn't smell like Vicks, but you know how Vicks has that smell? It's like it opens up your pathways. Oh, open pathways, go figure. But yeah, it has that nasal opening property to it. Divine Doors. Behind every door lies adventure, mystery, and inspiration. That's cool. What are these? Is a 40-card inspiration deck that reveals answers to your deepest reflections and inspired musings. With photography of unique doors from across the globe, you will discover a new way to see the world, to tap into your intuitive spirit and unlock the creative force within. That's so cool! I cannot wait to use these in my practice. That is awesome. It's a really nice box. It seems to have a magnet here to hold it closed. And it says how to use the cards. Behind the door, all questions reside. Turn the candle and step inside. Intuitive guidance is your natural call. Lay out the cards or let them fall. Close your eyes and open your heart. The mystery is a form of art. Hold a question dear to mind. Turn the page to see what you find. And then I've already checked out some of these cards, but they're absolutely beautiful. They're pictures of all kinds of different doors. That one's gorgeous. I love that one. And it's doors all over the world. But yeah, I think this deck is going to be great to add to my practice. And I absolutely love it. We have a cedar stick. We have some rosemary. We have our beeswax candle, which, ooh, that's a pretty yellow. I love that. It's really pretty. And then we have our incense. Open Doors. Let's give it a smell. Ooh, that smells nice too. So this is everything we received this month, and I am so excited to try these Divine Door inspiration cards out. Really excited about that, and to learn about a new crystal. And this is one of my favorite witchy boxes that I receive. So if you don't already have a subscription to The Witch's Roots, definitely go check them out. I will leave their website in the description down below, and I'll also tag my other Witch's Roots videos up in the corner. But yeah, I absolutely love this box, and everything that comes inside. It's always things that I can use for my practice, and it's very beneficial and informative. So yeah, definitely go check them out. But until next time, I will see you later. Thanks, guys. Bye.